So like I was saying in the last video, I was gonna show y'all how to do the bold cap method. So basically what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna take long to talk and just, explain, I'm not gonna talk too much. So basically you need your hair. So my hair is already kind of like styled, like I already did the baby hair. I already bleached the knots, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. But yeah, so basically what you're gonna need is a wig cap, got to be spray, and then your glue. I forgot to grab my glue, and then your glue, any glue you want. So, and you need your blow dryer and scissors. So if you want to see how everything comes together, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you don't mind, also make sure to share the video. And yeah, just stay tuned. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start from like the middle, and then you're gonna go side by side. So like you're trying to like see where exactly you want your cap to begin. If it's too forward, you have to like peel it off, just like that. So like it's very hard, like, okay, then you want to go ahead and cut side by side. Don't cut your skin. Make sure to be very gentle with it and like very, do you see how, and mind you guys, every time I do my, like, I always do my hair. Don't nobody did my hair. Don't nobody ever do my hair. I've started doing my hair from like, I started doing my hair like the end of my junior year, beginning of my senior year. High school, I was still in high school. So I started like watching videos and I was like, okay, well, let me just try to do something with my hair, because I didn't want to like bother my mom and stuff like that, you feel me? Because hair is very expensive. Hair is very expensive. And I was like, okay, don't nobody spending no money, because if you have to do your hair every 2 weeks, that means you have to spend a lot of money. So as long as you know how to do it yourself, you wouldn't need to like spend money on nothing. And that's me. I'm very like, and I'm good at it. Like, nobody would know I do it myself. Every time I do my hair, people always like it. Oh, who do your hair? I'm like, I do it myself. I do it myself, girl. So yeah, you want your cap to be that flat. The back don't really matter, to be honest, because you can just leave it and then it's just gonna like protect your hair. It's gonna like protect your hair and stuff. Because my wig, I can glue it from the back, but I don't think it's something I want to do just now. So I'm probably gonna show you another time, but I'm not going to glue the back. I'm not. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. That's for another time, but no, that's not for today. So now that your cap is all glued on, everything is very what's the word? Smooth. Let me just adjust this because it's not matching the other one. You're gonna go ahead and use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, to make sure to take off all the glue, like the excess glue. So you're gonna take the rubbing alcohol and like with a little thingy and just like clean it. Just clean around and make sure you have no oil, because when you're gonna apply the weave and the glue, you don't want like the because if your skin has like a lot of oil, it's not gonna last. It's not gonna last. So you want your wig to last a pretty good time. So make sure like to take off every residue on your skin, every oil you have. Your skin has to be completely dry and clean, like completely. Maybe I should like move the thing a little bit. Isn't it too forward? Anyways. Okay, once you do that, you just wait for it to dry, or you can use your blow dryer, whatever you want to do. Just do it. Make sure everything is dry before you go to the glue. So yeah, stay tuned. Now you want to go ahead and grab your foundation, any type of foundation. It don't matter. It can be like a powder, but like it has to be like your skin kind of color. You feel me? So me, don't mind me, but this color, this Fit Me 360, I've been using it for the longest because I don't like my foundation to be a little light. I like my foundation to be a little darker because when I do my concealer, I like it to be a little brighter. So that's what I use. But yeah, go ahead and get your, ooh, that's a little too much. Get your foundation on whatever you don't have to use a brush. You can just use like a beauty blender or something. But like, go ahead and like apply the foundation. You know, put it on, cause you're gonna go bold. You're gonna be like a bald bitch. But yeah, go ahead and apply. Cover all the whites. Babe, do you see how I do my hair now? All the transformation. Every time I'm cute. Every time I'm cute. Huh?
Yeah, I do.
Does it scare you?
What do you mean scare?
Because I'm showing you I'm showing you my secret. A girl don't ever show her secret. What?
Are you bald now?
Yeah, I'm bold.
It's a lie.
It's not a lie. Say hi to the camera.
Huh?
Say hi.
Huh? Hi.
But yeah, I'm bold. Like, I cut my hair. I was tired of my hair. I wanted to put my wig on, but then I decided like I want to cut it.
It's you true. You know, you're like.
I cut it.
You tricking me.
I'm not, like, I'm literally bald. So now you have applied your foundation and everything is flat. Like, everything is flat. I love this glue. I don't know why. It's called Ghost Bond, whatever. Ghost Bond. How do you say ghost? It's ghost? Okay. Ghost Bond, but it's like $25. You can have it like at any beauty supply. A little bit. So you put it on the cap and then you bring it down. Just watch me do it. my scarf. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the lace off. It looks good so far, to be honest. Like, it looks good, but I'm just scared, like, you know when the cap is too small? So like, it don't matter how much you like put it up, it's still gonna like, cause the cap is smaller. So this is my first time. This is the first time something like that happened. So I really hope that everything goes good, cause if not, I'm gonna cry, like dead ass. I'm very emotional. Like, I cry about everything.